Today is a nice sunny morning here in Florida. So today I decided to fry some Guyana. This is from Guyana, Bangamary. This is a very sweet fish. These are the small Bangamary. So it's from Guyana. I bought it at the West Indian store. It's already seasoned up. And here I have the flour mixed with the seafood mix, the batter for to fry the fish. So here we have our Bangamary. It's a saltwater fish, and this is what it looks like. These are the small ones. So as you can see, the sun is coming out. So let's get cooking. Time to fry some fish. So you want to heat your frying pan. I have my frying pan here getting hot so I can add the oil in it. So I'm waiting till the frying pan gets hot. It's not that hot today. It's like 80 degrees, but it have a wind blowing, so it don't feel that hot. Like some days it's terrible hot, but you can see it's dry. So my pot is hot in here. My frying pan, sorry, is heating up. So I'm gonna add the oil. So we have the oil. Getting the oil heat up. And with these outside stove, it gets hot really fast with a lot of heat. That's why I like cooking out here. And you don't have the smell of fish all over the house. So I seasoned the fish here with some bandanere, celery, thyme, all that nice green seasoning. Put some black pepper, garlic, onion. Add some adobo also in there, a little curry powder. Okay, so the pot is hot now. So the fish is in the batter mix here. It's the Louisiana mix, seafood mix. It's really good. It's already seasoned. It comes with the seasoning. So you just want to dip the fish in there and mix it up and then put it in the pot to fry. So as you can see, the fish is frying. It's a deep fry. You want to cover it with the oil and have the fish frying. So that's what it looks like, guys. It's covered in the oil, frying in the batter mix. Okay. Just gonna take my spoon. See? And it's frying. And the good thing about the mixture, it don't burn. The fish, see? Give it a nice color and texture. So you cover the fish with oil so the fish is in there deep fried. That probably takes like 10 minutes. Because I have the stove in low fire too, because I don't want to burn the fish. Peaceful and quiet today. Very quiet. And the sun is out. And we have our fish frying. I need a little more frying. Probably another 5 more minutes will be ready. I can smell it. Well, really goes all that season and then slight bit of curry powder. Not that much. Just a slight bit of curry powder and mix it in there with all that seasoning. Season and flavor food. Everything I cook, I put season. It gives a flavor. It makes it more tasty. Okay, so the fish is finished. See that Louisiana seasoning, the fish fry, give it this nice color, and it's tasty. So it's already seasoned. See, you don't burn the fish. Here it is. This is the finished product. So we have a fried Bangamary. Here, this is fried Bangamary. So I have a next batch here to fry. So in here we are on the leg.